right? So we're pulling a bunch of fruit in. If you look over my shoulder, you can see very gray clouds. It's the end of a storm out of the Philippines. We're probably going to get 4 to 6 inches of rain, and we can live through that. The problem is a lot of places that it's growing on our property we can't get into after it rains that much for weeks. And then we're just going to have to live with whatever God gives us, and usually it's pretty good. Exactly, and I forgot to introduce myself. Jac Cole, winemaker here at the lovely Spring Mountain Vineyard, and it's the 2009 harvest, and we're all excited about it, and it certainly is no longer summer.